This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about jars, specifically these candy jars with aluminum lids. They're clear plastic jars, and they feature those great aluminum lids on top. And you've got two sizes of these candy and snack jars. The 9-ounce is 2 3/4 inches by 3 1/4, and then the 17-ounce, it's 3.5 inches in diameter by 3 3/4 inches high. They mimic the look and style of glass jars without the worry of breakage and the additional cost. They're perfect for the storage and service of all sorts of treats, and they're made from a wonderful sustainable plastic. Each jar comes with an aluminum lid, and they're easy to screw off, fill, and then put that right back in place. And you can see you've got nice surface area for labels, branding, and adding fun seals and other things to make a fantastic packaging option or a really cute presentation. So these are great for packing up things like candies, chocolates, roasted nuts and snack mixes, gumballs, gummies, marshmallows, and more. They're made from recyclable, compostable, and biodegradable materials, so they're a great eco-friendly option too. They're fantastic for a variety of types of food establishments, and especially a cute retail packaging option for bakeries and small gourmet grocers.